Ang tunay na pagmamahal at pagtsatsaga ng isang ina ay walang hanggan. Para kay Orange Erazo, ang pagiging ina at guro ay isang misyon lalo na sa pagpapalaki at suporta sa kanyang anak na si Cheese na mayroong autism spectrum disorder at isang talented animator.
Ngayon, ibabahagi nila sa atin kung paano nila hinarap ang bawat hamon at kung paano ang kanilang kwento ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa maraming pamilya. Kasama natin sina Ma'am Orange Erazo at Cheese Erazo at si Luis. Good morning and welcome to Rise and Shine.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, hi, Rise and Shine. Ma'am Orange, bilang isang ina at guro, gaano po kahirap o kakaiba ang naging karanasan ninyo sa pagpapalaki at pagturo kay Cheese?
Mahirap talaga magpalaki ng kagaya ng ni Cheese.
Okay.
But yun yung isang bagay na kailangan tanggapin sa umpisa pa lang. Tanggapin na siya ay hindi ganun madali.
Okay.
Pero kapag una mong tinanggap kung ano siya, kung ano yung kakayanan niya, mas madali mong tugunan yung mga pangangailangan niya. At bilang ina, masasabi nating nakakapagod, kalimitan, dahil ikaw yung, kumbaga, ikaw yung naka-frontline. Pero hindi naman masamang magsabing ikaw ay napapagod at nandyan ang iyong kapamilya para suportahan. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, ang pagpapalaki sa kagaya nila ay hindi lang kailangan ng isang ina, but isang pamilya at isang komunidad na nakakaintindi para sa kanya.
Kamusta po ang pamilya at komunidad dito, ma'am?
Sa pamilya, kailangan yung pagtanggap ng bawat isa. So, kung ibig sabihin, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, dapat ganun din yung pamilya. Sync together. Pag sinabi mo ganito yung strategy, dapat sabay-sabay kayo. Pag sinabing hindi kailangan bigyan ng gadget, dapat buong pamilya
Everyone will comply.
sabay-sabay. At ganun din ang komunidad na sinasabi, o particularly ang school, which yan ang pinaka-partner talaga sa pagpapalaki sa kagaya
So,
nila.
supportive lahat ng stakeholders, ma'am. Okay.
So there should be cooperation and teamwork.
Yes.
Marami pong magulang ang naghihirap, sabi niyo nga, no, mag-adjust sa diagnosis ng ASD. Ano po ang strategies o approaches ninyo sa bahay at sa school na sa tingin niyo ay talagang malaking tulong kay Cheese?
Ang una sa lahat ay yung acceptance.
Okay.
Kapag na-accept mo kung ano siya, kung sino siya, anong kakayanan niya, then yung mga kailangan, yung mga specific na ability sa kanya, madali mong ma-address. Sa kanila, kumbaga kakaiba yung wiring ng brain nila. So maaring mabagal bago mag-connect para magkaroon ng imahe, yung binabanggit na words, o maaring hindi kaagad nila naintindihan. So yung pinaka-importante would be yung clarity of giving instructions para sa kanila. Sa kanila, mas pinaka-effective sa lahat will be setting up the routine. So routine na kailangan nakasync together sa bahay at sa school.
Okay.
So kung ano yung mas madaling approach para sa kanila, dahil sa kanilang nasa spectrum, iba-iba. Yung pamamaraan, iba-iba rin yung bilis paano nila nakukuha instruction. So ito ba ay kailangan ng visual? O ito ba ay kailangan lang ng auditory?
Right.
So kung ano yung ginagawa sa school, ganun din sa bahay, para sabay, mas mabilis. Kung ano yung ginagawa sa therapy, ganun din. Kailangan ang role ng family, particularly the parents, yung i-integrate lahat kung ano yung natutunan niya at gawin itong practical para sa kanya.
Nakasync lahat.
Dapat
Yes.
nakasync lahat.
Okay. Si Cheese po ay pang-ilan sa inyong tatlong anak?
Si Cheese ang panganay,
Panganay. Kasama natin si Luis, siya po ang
pangalawa,
pangalawa. Then you also have your bunso.
bunso.
Oo. And kamusta po silang tatlong magkakapatid?
Ngayon, malalaki na sila, mas naiintindihan na nila
Okay.
yung bawat isa.
Okay.
Pero nung umpisa, nung maliliit pa, particularly yung pangalawa at saka pangatlo, kailangan ko din silang alalayan
Oo.
na para maintindihan nila bakit ganun yung reaksyon ni kuya, bakit hindi siya pwedeng ganun, bakit nagtatakip siya ng tenga, bakit kailangan siya parang biglang talon ng talong.
Oo.
So kasama yon na kailangan ine-educate. Yung bawat isa sa pamilya, kasi dadating yung time na ikaw, ako bilang isa, kailangan mo ng tawag mo, may karelyebo ka, may kakaagapay ka, pag ikaw napapagod, kailangan meron sila, nandiyan sila rin, susuporta sana. O ako, hindi naman ako nagiging bata, dadating din yung time na mawawala ako,
Yes,
sino
andyan
yung
sila
makakasama?
para sa'yo at para
That's
sa
para
anak
sa
mo.
kanya. So, it's really family, community, all together.
Alright,
for him.
in terms of family, I understand you are supporting Cheese pagdating sa kanyang creative side. Nahilig siya sa animation. So ano ba yung mga usual themes sa kwento na madalas lumalabas sa mga animated works niya?
Iba-iba.
Okay.
Meron siyang animation na nilalagay niya parang learning videos. Yun yung
Okay.
Charlie and John, yung gusto niya na parang gusto niya
motion
kasi
graphics
magturo.
video, ang galing.
Video.
Ayun o, yan ang ginagawa niya. Mga
Yan
ganyan.
yung, yan yung
Ang
pinaka-latest niya, yung about Boracay.
Oo.
At one time, we went to Boracay, nagbakasyon. Pagbalik namin, doon siya kamuha ng inspirasyon. At
Okay.
nag-create siya ng ano yung gusto niyang tema, istorya. Ang animation para sa kanya, yung nagiging medium niya para maintindihan niya kung ano yung nasa labas at para ma-express din niya kung ano yung nasa sa loob niya. So may mga videos siya na ready siyang i-share. Meron din siya mga videos na parang tinatawag lang na bring dump. Parang kung ano lang yung nasa mind niya, lagay lang niya. So meron siyang videos na for private use only.
Okay.
May video siya na pwede niyang i-share.
Ano yan? Siya mismo nagkasabi, i-share or kayo pa nagde-determine dito?
Siya mismo.
Wow, okay.
Siya mismo nagsasabi na I want to share this o pag meron siyang mga bagay na gusto niya nang i-share, meron siyang bagay na hindi niya kayang i-share.
Okay.
Okay, so tatanungin ko naman si Cheese, what is your favorite na animation?
My favorite animation is Charlie and John because I do my own animation.
Okay.
I draw and write on panel like storyboard and transfer into the animation app of FlipperClip, not Procreate.
Ang galing.
galing.
How did you learn about doing this?
Yes.
How did you learn? So, meron siyang medium na ginagamit na, for
Okay.
example, for drawing lang, Procreate to. Pag animation niya, magkikine-master siya, mag-flip up clip siya.
So meron tong mga
application.
software.
May mga
and
software siyang ginagamit, pero umpisa yan lahat. Sisimulan niya, gagawa siyang storyboard niya sa pen and paper.
Ang galing. Ang galing.
So, ibig sabihin, umpisa pa lang when he was young na nakitaan na namin na doon yung skill na lumalabas, yun yung talent niya. We support him on that. So, kailangan muna yung basic foundations, pen and paper, drawing, different mediums, and now he's doing animation.
So Cheese, what is hard in animation when you do it? What's challenging?
I accidentally deleted the channel of Charlie and John because I canceled Charlie and John plans the season 2 since 2024 development.
Oh no.
So,
I have to redo and restart the new channel of new design of Charlie and John.
Okay.
Like inspiration of Billy and Friends based. Billy and Friends based.
Wow.
Okay.
How
From
long
the
do you
art
do
Yung
it?
story
website.
part, accidentally lang niya na-delete yung mismong channel.
yes, and he's been doing that
Pero
parang
para
years
sa paggawa
na.
mismo,
Oh,
okay lang.
okay.
So, parang
Oo.
when he started animation, that was pandemic time.
Okay.
So, nagsimula siya doon, tapos kinukumpal niya lahat na animation, then 2024, na-erase niya.
Oh,
So, for him,
no.
it's very difficult. And for me,
Yes.
I was expecting also something kasi that's frustration kung
Yes,
paano
yes.
niya
Oo.
i-handle.
Bukod sa pag-animation, siya rin ay kumakanta. Ang
Kumakanta
galing.
din
Baka pwede
siya.
makasample naman kasama si Luis.
Okay.
Sige. Can you sing for us, Cheese?
Or 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you forgot your cable. Okay. Let me give you a second. It's just here. Okay. All right. We're good. In 3, okay, you count now. Cheese.
There's a light, certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be live with you, live with you. there's a way. Everybody says to do each and every little thing. But what does it bring if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you. Hey baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Galing, galing. So nice. I love the voice.
Yes, buong-buo yung
Very
boses.
emotional.
That's
I remember
best.
tuloy yung sumali sa America's Got Talent.
Oo.
Same at Sesame Spectrum siya and nakatanggap siya ng Golden Buzzer.
Wow.
Oh, galing. Ma'am, you're lucky to
That was
have
so good.
someone like him.
The music,
Yes, yes, we can hear you with that.
the music, yun yung kanilang bonding time. So I have,
Okay.
that's something that we have found out.
Okay.
That they all like it together.
Oo.
So somehow it's a form of their communicating how they love each other.
That's nice. Yeah.
Ikaw, Luis, baka pwede makarinig. Kamusta? Anong pakiramdam maging kapatid si Cheese? You can use the microphone.
Good. In the
You
day-
love him?
Yeah, I love him, but most times in the day I don't really interact with him much. Well, but I do it sometimes, but not most of the times.
Okay. But you're there to support him, of course.
Yeah, I like his channel. I like his animations.
Yeah,
They're really
and
good.
also with singing.
Luis has poem for animation development.
One of his older animations were really funny. They
Okay.
made me and Therese laugh.
Wait, coming in it.
Ang kaping
Wait.
Naku, baka may kasunod yun, ma'am, ha? Alam ko yung mga ganyang banat, ma'am. Anyway, I'm really glad to...
Sir,
yes,
sir?
yes, go ahead.
Can you imagine about Luis has poem for the World War and his friends and girlfriend named?
Oh my God. Well,
For the-
we can talk about that later, about that story. I think that's a
Sorry.
very great story, Cheese. And the poem that Luis is gonna give us about, the topic
He
you're telling
writes
us.
poems too.
Well, on that note, thank
Okay.
you so much for joining us this morning. Maraming salamat sa magbahagi ng iyong kwento, Ma'am Orange, Cheese, and Luis. Thank you so
Thank you,
much. Thank you for
guys.
telling
Thank
your story.
you.
Thank you. You're welcome.